What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you Steam in big picture mode. I'm going to talk about it a little bit and tell you when to use it and show you how to get to it. And if you want to start up by default in that mode, you can do that too. So first things first, let me just show you what it looks like. I've tried to disable my sound here, so because it does make a loud noise when you boot it in big picture mode. Just be warned with that. But just go to the top left here on view and then go and click on big picture mode. Yep, so right now it's playing this loud noise in my ear, but I muted my volume really quick so I wouldn't do that anymore. Let's unmute. And now, as you can see, we are in big picture mode. So pretty much Steam from your couch. I would recommend using this if you have a TV or if you've plugged your computer into your TV and you just want to see it like from the TV screen. This is the way to do it. It's a completely different interface, as you can see. Like, you can check your library and you can look. It's like kind of like the tablet version of Steam. I would probably like to use this if I had a tablet or something, or if I was looking from my couch, like I said. But yeah, you can go back this way. You can check out the community. You can check out my inventory in Counter-Strike. You can see the price of each item. Yeah, there's the thing about this is that there's slightly less features available. So it's not the same as desktop Steam. Desktop Steam allows you to do a lot more, but if you really like this, you can boot up in it this way. Let me show you. So go to settings on the top right up here, and if you want to boot up in big screen mode, you can do interface and then just select start Steam in big picture mode. So if you want to start up every time in this mode, you can just select this. If you don't, then you don't have to do that. Or you can do it in windowed, because by default it's going to be full screen mode, like you can't access your toolbar or you can't close it or anything. So if you want it windowed, you can still do other things on your computer. You can do it that way, but it's going to be a little slower, just a fair warning. So there's that. And if you want to get out of here, it's pretty simple. You just click the power button and you click exit big picture, and Steam will boot itself back up in regular mode. So that's Steam in big picture mode. Quick video, but hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.